Hi, what is up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to update the firmware on your SKR MINI E3. Let's get started. So you're first gonna open your browser. You're gonna go to the Big Tree Tech GitHub, and then you're gonna navigate to the Big Tree Tech SKR MINI E3 section, and then you're gonna get the code. Hit code, and then you're gonna download a zip, unpack the zip file and save it into your local drive. I have it here right in my disk C. And then you're gonna download and install Visual Studio. So once you download and install Visual Studio, you're gonna go to the extensions, and then you're gonna search Platform IO, and then you're gonna install it. I already have it, so here it is. If you don't have it yet, you're gonna go ahead and install it, and then this is it right here when you install it. So you're gonna go over here, and then you're gonna go to open, and then you go to open a project, and then you are going to navigate. You're going to navigate to where you saved it. I saved it in C, and this is it right here. Big Tree Tech. You're going to go to the firmware and choose the version you have. I have version 2.0. You're going to choose where the platform io.ini is, and then you're going to go ahead and hit open. So it's going to go ahead and load that and open it. And next step, you can go ahead and edit the code. That's if you want to. You can leave it as default and update your board. But now I'm gonna go ahead and change just a couple of stuff, just for the sake of showing you how to do it. Go to platform.ini, and this has to match your board right here. Alright, so you're gonna make sure this also have to match the board that you're using. Then head over to Marlin, and then configuration.h. So this is your code right here, so you can go ahead and change the settings to your liking, and then you can go ahead and compile, copy it to an SD card, and perform the update. So here are a couple of stuff that I'm gonna go ahead and change. Alright, so you can go down here to author, and then you can put your name or whatever you want right here. I'm gonna go ahead and put SK Tech. Alright, next step, go ahead and also change this right here to your liking. You can put anything you want. So this is going to be displayed on your screen. Instead of Ender 3 ready, it's gonna say it's skate ready. Once you're done doing all of this, you're gonna go at the bottom right here. You're gonna see a build check button, and you're gonna go ahead and press that, and it's gonna go ahead and run through the build process, and you will be done. Alright, as you can see, it says success. So we've successfully built our code, and now you can go ahead and use an SD card, load it into the computer, copy it over, and then you can place it into your printer to perform the update. Just plugged up the SD card, as you can see here. This is formatted in FAT32. Right click on the Marlin, and then you can open it in File Explorer, and now you have the folder right here. Go to PIO, build this folder, and then you can see it right here, firmware.bin. So you go to right click, copy it, open your SD card, and paste it. Right, that's all you need for the update. Now you're gonna go ahead and eject it. Right, you're gonna take it out the adapter, and then you're gonna put it into the printer right here, and then you're gonna go ahead and turn on your printer. It's gonna take slightly longer to boot up. And now, as you can see, it went to 2.0.7.2 instead of 2.0. That means that the firmware is successfully updated. So yeah, this is how you update Marlin firmware using just your SD card and platform IO on Visual Studio. So if you found this useful, drop a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching and see you around.